This tiny studio in the East Bay area is under 200 square feet, but smartly laid out with just the essentials. It's all you need for a stay close to San Francisco, as there is much to offer and explore in this area of the East Bay. Located in the backyard of another property is this simple, tiny studio. It shares a yard with the main home, with a common area for gathering and hanging out. A large, orange double door greets you at the entrance as you walk in. When you initially enter, you'll notice an abundance of light. Windows fill the space on all sides of the tiny home, making it feel very bright and spacious. The first area is the bedroom, which has a generously sized bed and storage bench at the end. An end of the bed storage bench is a great solution for luggage, clothing, and storing any other items. And it also provides a surface as needed. It's a seamless way to integrate storage into the space if you have enough length in the bedroom, as other furniture such as a credenza or a dresser would take much more space in such a small footprint. Beside the bed is a small wall rack to hang additional items. Perfect for jackets, wrinkly shirts, other pieces of clothing, a tote bag, bike locks, and more. There is no closet in this tiny home, so this wall system and storage bench are key to making 192 square feet work. The bedside also has small stools, which act as bedside tables for books and other knickknacks. Little stools are a great alternative to bedside tables, which may need more space to fit. In addition, the sconces on the wall are also a great lighting solution to save space within the small floor plan. Wall-mounted furniture is a great way to add decor, but also function. To the left of the entrance is a modest kitchen space. There's not much space to cook a feast, but the mini fridge, stovetop, and a few appliances can get you through the simple meals. Considering how much the East Bay has to offer, there's no denying that there's plenty of amazing eateries around as well that may keep you from cooking often at home. The kitchen cabinetry offers plenty of storage, a surprising amount for such a narrow space. There are layers of drawers to store cutlery, kitchen tools, and more. Open shelving is also leveraged for additional items such as plates, bowls, cups, and appliances, making the top of the kitchen feel a bit more airy instead of feeling crowded with additional cabinets. Using an extension cord is a great solution to clear up some counter space, as appliances such as a toaster oven and microwave can be used on the floating shelves, making for more prep space below. There is no dishwasher or large dish rack when cleaning the dishes, but a compact folding dish mat is stored right beside the sink for when it's time to clean after a meal. A cutting board and paper towels are also hung up on the wall to save space. Last but not least is the bathroom, which doesn't feel tiny at all. It has a good amount of space with a beautifully tiled shower in the corner, as well as a floating vanity. The shower leverages a hanging storage solution on the wall, holding shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And above the toilet is also a cotton tote bag for storing extra toilet paper. When there isn't much square footage, small but efficient vertical storage solutions are the way to go. The vanity is larger than it seems and has plenty of storage space for toiletries and more. A basket beneath also provides a little extra compartment for other items. On the side is also a clever, expandable towel rack. When not used, this telescoping rack can collapse and fold into the wall, but when needed, it can expand and rotate out for more hanging space. It's great for hanging damp towels or air drying other items. This humble, airy urban studio is a lovely space with just enough. It feels light and spacious with the abundance of windows, access to the outdoors, and with plenty to explore in such a walkable area, you don't need too much space to make do. If you ever have plans to visit the Bay Area and need a place to visit, do consider checking out this urban studio in the East Bay, which is linked below. Find more inspiration for simple and sustainable living by subscribing to this channel. And thank you all for watching, and hope you enjoyed this tour of this simple yet lovely tiny studio.